Hello, wonderful viewers. Today, we are diving into the empowering world of The Diary of Domestic Diva by Shilpa Shetty Kundra. This delightful book is a treasure trove of wisdom for everyone out there, offering a perfect blend of recipes, fitness tips, and life advices. Let's start with a quick summary of what makes this book so special. The book is thoughtfully divided into a section covering health recipes, fitness routines, beauty tips, and valuable insight into time management. Shilpa Shetty, a multifaceted personality, shares her personal experience to inspire and guide women in their journey to lead balanced and fulfilling lives. From mouth-watering yet healthy recipe to accessible at-home workout routines, Shilpa's practical advice catered to women with busy schedule. It's not just about what you eat or how you work out, but about embracing a holistic approach to well-being. The beauty tips and self-care rituals are a celebration of self-love. Shilpa emphasizes that taking care of yourself is not a luxury, but a necessity, and she shares her own secrets to looking and feeling you best. Managing time is a challenge we all face. Shilpa's insight into time management and organizational skill offer a roadmap for women striving to excel in their career while nurturing their personal lives. And here's a quote from Shilpa herself. Every woman is a domestic diva in her own right. Embrace your strength, celebrate your uniqueness, and remember, you have the power to shine in every role you play. The Diary of Domestic Diva is a must-read for everyone seeking inspiration and practical tips to navigating the complexity of modern life. So, grab your copy, embrace your uniqueness, and let's shine together. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, stay fabulous. Thank you.